Paklay the paklay. Maayong adlaw mga kaigalaan! Kami ang Wandering Kusina. Ako si Chakoy.
Ako si Mark.
Mga ka-Wonders, this is our third recipe of 2023. At saka anong lulutuin natin?
Ang lulutuin natin mga ka-wonders is paklay.
Or easy paklay. Yun, dapat mag-easy. Mga ka-Wonders, welcome to Wandering Kusina and we are cooking this very Cebuano or
Cebuano
Bisaya. Yes, it's famous in the Philippines, especially sa Cebu.
Especially sa Cebu or mga Bisaya to.
Or mga Bisaya. Probably mga Bisaya. I'm not so sure kung may ibang version, if there's any other version of paklay in other parts of the country, especially those kung nasaan ang mga Bisaya. But this one, Chef Mark will have his own take on this paklay recipe. Let's see how it goes.
Okay.
I'm excited for this kasi matagal na rin hindi ako nakatikim ng paklay. And this is our chance to shine, to taste this one. So mga ka-Wonders, if you're new to Wandering Kusina's YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to Wandering Kusina and click that notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga bagong videos namin.
Dito ang process ng ating easy paklay.
Let's get on to the cooking.
Yung una natin ginawa mga ka-wonders is pinakulo muna natin yung ating baka or laman loob ng baka. Ito siya, meron tayong tripe, meron tayong kidney, meron tayong isaw, tsaka yung atay. At meron din tayong laman. So pinakulo na natin to ng more than an hour hanggang lumambot yung tripe natin o yung tuwalya. So linagyan lang natin siya ng konting asin, paminta, tsaka suka para mawala yung lansa at yung amoy ng ating intestine at tsaka yung tripe. So nauhihiwahin na natin to according sa ating luto. So meron tayong tripe dito.
So all these mga ka-Wonders, as you can see right now, these are innards of beef. The liver, the kidney, and the tripe of the beef, including a few meat. And you can see also the fat one. Can you show them the fat one? Just the fat of the beef.
Ayan, ito yung fat.
So we have boiled this for more than an hour. And we added salt, pepper, and vinegar.
Ginger.
And ginger as well, just to make sure that the smell will be rid off. We boil it until it becomes tender.
So ayan mga ka-wonders, nahiwa na natin yung ating paklay. Ayan siya. So iniwalay ko lang yung pot kasi unahin natin itong ilalagay sa pan para lumabas yung mantika niya. So now mga ka-wonders, hihiwain naman natin yung ating mga ingredients, gulay at mga panggisa natin. So unahin natin itong luya. Iwain natin ito ng maninipis. Mas masarap maraming luya. Pahaba na manipis din. Para makain din natin yung luya.
Correct.
And then sibuyas. And then yung ating bawang, ipisahin lang natin ng ganyan. Then iwahin. And then yung ating chili, fresh chili. And then itong ating papaya or sayote. So gagamit tayo ng papaya dito.
It should be green papaya mga ka-Wonders. And you can actually use sayote or chayote. So it should be the raw papaya, not the ripe.
Iwain lang din natin siya ng pahaba. Next natin mga ka-wonders yung ating carrots. And then yung ating red bell pepper. Yan, lalagay natin to lahat. Tanggalin lang natin yung buto. So pahaba lang din yung hiwa. Ganyan lang. So now mga wonders, igigisa na natin. So maglalagay lang tayo ng konting mantika dito sa ating wok.
So we're just going to extract the oil. Whatever's the remaining oil from the fat, we're going to extract it.
So now mga wonders, lalagay na natin yung ating luya.
Okay, let's put in the ginger first.
So ilalagay natin to lahat kasi masarap maraming luya.
That's right.
Then lagay natin tong ating bawang din.
So we added the garlic.
Yes, and then saute lang natin siya hanggang lumabas yung amoy ng bawang tsaka yung luya natin.
So let's just saute this for a short moment. The aroma, we need to smell the aroma. Yeah, it needs to come out. Yeah, there, we can already smell the aroma of the ginger as well as the garlic. So
yes.
What's next?
So this time lalagay na natin yung ating onion.
Okay, onion. Let's put in our sibuyas.
So ilalagay na natin yung ating half ng chili natin para lumabas na yung hanghang niya at this time.
So we need to put the chili as early as at this stage because we need to make sure that the aroma of the chili also comes out. And not just the aroma but the spiciness of the chili gets embedded with the rest of the ingredients that we are already sauteing.
Yes. So now ilalagay na natin yung ating paklay or yung laman ng loob.
That's right. So we're going to let the heat work its way into the ingredients that we have here in the wok and allow the herbs and spices that we have placed to get mixed up with the meat or the innards, the sliced innards. So let's put in our soy sauce. 3 tablespoons. We're going to 3 tablespoons, yes. And we're going to put 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Now you can use the regular vinegar that you have.
So lalagyan natin ng 1 teaspoon of pepper. So nawaluhin muna natin. So mga wonders, we're going to add half of lemon juice. So ilalagay na natin itong ating papaya. And then the carrots.
Some carrots.
Yan, haluin lang natin.
Look at that. It's so good. It looks so good. It smells so good. Now in Cebu, paklay actually has a bit of sauce. It's not fully dry. And the sauce usually comes from the vegetables that we put in. Another distinction of paklay, meron siyang black beans, especially sa Cebu, but you don't have to put black beans all the time.
So now ilagay natin tong ating bell pepper. And then mga wonders, takpan lang natin siya ng mga 2 to 3 minutes para lumambot yung ating vegetables. So yan mga wonders, check natin. Haluin muna natin. So now tikman natin kung ano na yung lasa ng ating paklay.
Yes.
So kung kailangan pa natin adjust yung asin niya or yung kung ano man yung kulang niya.
That's right. So ako si Boy Tikim. Tikman natin to. Actually, okay na.
Okay na.
Sarap na.
Parang kulang sa toyo.
Kulang lang sa toyo at saka okay na yung lasa. Konting toyo lang. And then,
Or asin.
actually okay na sa akin yung saltiness.
Okay na.
Okay na sa akin yung saltiness. It's just that medyo dry lang siya. So kailangan natin lagyan pa ng siguro konting tubig.
Sige.
And then i-adjust natin yung lasa doon na. Ang sarap guys.
Go.
Ang sarap.
So maghiwa lang tayo ng onion leaves habang nagpapakulo tayo ng tubig.
We're adding a little amount of hot water just to make sure that we get it thoroughly mixed and cooked. It will become saucy, a bit saucy. So that hot water should be able to help.
So and then lalagyan na natin tong ating natirang chili.
So the remaining chilies, so let's add it up. The spiciness, the texture of the meat, it's so nice and it's already flavorful. 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. This should balance the whole taste, the spiciness, the saltiness, and the sourness of our paklay.
Ayan. So haluin lang natin, last halo kasi malambot naman yung natin, yung meat.
That's right. Everything is tender. The vegetable should not be that soggy. And guys, the spiciness, the texture of the meat, of the innards is just perfect.
So pinatay na natin yung ating kalan. So mga ka-wonders, ito na yung ating easy paklay.
So finally, we've made it. So now, let's taste it. Tignan natin kung anong difference. Actually, natikman na natin, pero yung finished product mismo, let's try to taste it kung ano talaga. Ang sarap. Paklay na paklay.
Hindi siya malansa. As in, walang lasang, parang hindi
Anggo.
siya baka, parang hindi laman ng loob ba. No?
That's right. Kasi ang ginamit natin, ang ginawa natin sa pagpalambot nito mga ka-wonders, we've boiled it for more than an hour and with lots of ginger, vinegar. And that removed the nasty smell of the innards.
Sarap.
The texture is perfect.
Hindi na overcook yung
Yes.
gulay.
The vegetables are perfect. It's not overcooked. It's not soggy at all. Good job. Ang sarap. This is just one of the very Filipino recipes that we have shown you, especially from the Central Visayas. And this is famous in Cebu, in my hometown. So successfully, we have created our version of Paklay, and this is very similar to what we have back home. So mga ka-wonders, if you like this recipe, please don't forget to like so that it can be recommended to other viewers in YouTube. And if you're new to Wandering Kusina's YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to Wandering Kusina and click the notification bell so that you get updated of all the videos that we have here in Wandering Kusina.
Meron din tayong social media account, meron tayong Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
Mga ka-wonders, don't forget to put in your comments below and let us know what you think about this recipe and what you want us to cook in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. So kami ang Wandering Kusina. Ako si Chakoy.
Ako si Mark.
Stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace! Daghang salamat! So, paklay mo diha! Very paklay. Oh, yeah. Juice is waiting for that moment.